Tesla? Thank you for confirming your appointment. Please remember that all registered owners must be available with their valid driver's license and any required documentation. Prior to your appointment, please download the Tesla app on your mobile device to sign your documents and submit any outstanding payments. Accepted forms of payment include electronic payment from your checking or savings account, or certified funds such as a wire transfer or cashier's check. Credit cards will not be accepted for final payment. You can electronically sign your documents using a digital signature from your Tesla app. To download the app, please visit tesla.com/app. Taking delivery is a streamlined experience. Download and use the Tesla app on delivery day to access your vehicle. Our guided tutorials will be available on your vehicle's touchscreen. To learn about operating your Tesla, charging, and specific features prior to your delivery, please visit tesla.com/meetyourtesla. To hear this again, press 1. Otherwise,